Hey, it's Wednesday, which means it's our Wednesday exercise of the week. My name is Emmanuel Osaseri, your online personal trainer and wellness coach. And today we're going to continue our at-home exercises with leg lifts, 6-inch leg lifts, okay? So here we go. So we're on the ground once again, and we have our legs out, hands underneath our butt comfortably. And what we're going to do is we're going to lift our legs about 6 to 8 inches off the ground, only 6 to 8 inches. And we're going to do so by squeezing our lower abs, tighten them really hard, and then we're going to hold our legs in this position for 10 seconds, and then we're going to go down and rest for 10 seconds. Now, if keeping your legs off the ground only 6 inches is a little bit too difficult for you, you can simply alter this by raising your legs a little bit higher, maybe around 45 degrees, and then holding it there for 10 seconds, and then back down and rest for another 10 seconds. Now, this is a circuit exercise, and so you can go ahead and measure and adjust to whatever, how many you want to do. So you can do circuits of 4, you can do circuits of 5, and work your way up from there. And once again, as a little tip or trick in this position is you can help to generate more force from your hip flexors by turning your toes in as you raise your legs off the ground, and that's going to help you give you an extra push through. And guys, that is it. You now know how to do an abdominal leg lift circuit. As usual, I had a blast making this video for you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, tap the subscribe button. Good luck on your fitness journey, and let's do this again sometime.